All right, guys, welcome back. Hybrid model now. So I'll see you guys tomorrow for you guys that are at home right now. For the people that are here, probably not going to see this video because I'll just explain it to you guys in person. But our new unit is the Byzantine Empire. It's kind of a spin-off of the Roman Empire. They technically are still the Roman Empire, but it's a whole new phase. So we kind of just look at it a little bit differently. All right, so to help kind of ease you guys into it today, I figured I'd just give you one of these introductory reading guides. It covers a lot of topics that we will talk about more in person. Like everybody up here will talk about. So just read through the reading guide. The people we want to look out for today, or the few things that we're looking hard at. The guy here, Justinian, he's very important. Okay, so make sure you kind of lock in here when you're reading through this. But it's going to be nice. We're just going to kind of read you through the Byzantine Empire, or the New Rome. Because remember now, Rome was split by Diocletian in our last unit. So we have the Western Roman Empire, which is kind of it's just Rome. And then now we have this new place called the Eastern Roman Empire, aka the Byzantine Empire. And it's a little bit different, and they're going to go through some of the differences here. One of the main differences is religion. All right. So, as you can see here, so, really focus on that. Here's a good similarity and differences chart. The Western Roman Empire, or Rome as we know it, they're going to be over here. And then the Eastern Roman Empire and the Byzantine Empire, they're going to be over here, and we're going to see them kind of switch religions a little bit and get away from Catholicism, and they're going to be more Eastern Orthodox, we call it, which is perfect because the Eastern Roman Empire, Eastern Orthodox. So it's easy to remember. So read through this, look for some differences, give yourself just a base knowledge of it so we can talk about it more tomorrow. But that's basically it, guys. Assignment's very similar as normal. Just have a Google Doc up or do it on a separate sheet of paper and take a picture and upload it or whatever you need to do to turn it in. So read through the reading guide and then skip number 2 and then skip number 9 as always. All right, that's it, guys. If you have any questions, email me. Otherwise, I'll see most of you guys tomorrow. And for you online people, if you need to email me and have a lot of questions, I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. All right, guys, have a good day working and welcome back.